Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you may still be wondering where I am. Currently I'm in instruction. Like I went for small adventure, man, inside this village. You can see I'm in the bush. So today what I want to talk about is the latest update on the ongoing construction of the new government house in Awka. I also made the video, I think on Tuesday this week. Tuesday should be July something. Not more than July 2nd or July 3rd, something like that. That's on Tuesday. So I went to the new government house in Awka to go and see the work done so far. And lo and behold, the last time I visited this new government house in Awka was ending of last year, which is the ending of 2023, is when I visited this place last. So, and this week I'm back again to this particular section. So, and I can tell you that um, the work done so far is pretty amazing. Work is in progress. They are doing marvelously well. Like most of the sections which I visited the last time I came here, the gutters were not yet complete that time, but today I can tell you that some of the gutters has been completed. Even the road has been put in order in the way that the stone base will not take on, but they have not started any stone base. They are just completing the remaining gutters over there. So, and talking about the buildings inside the compound, which is the government house, you know most buildings are being erected, and some of them have been completed, though not fully completed like putting the rest, but at least it has gotten to the final level, and the other things are still coming on. So the only place I see that has a very bigger work over here is after the entrance of that government house, coming down towards the other side, down the other side, where you see the contractors mixing cement and the rest. That side still need a very bigger work because the big erosion, the big flood that used to pass through that space, that place still need a very big work, and I believe that's the reason why they still leave it like that. So that place still need a very bigger work, but all I can say is that a very big work is in progress over there. So, and they are doing it as fast as possible. That's what I can tell you guys. So once there's a new update or anytime I visit this particular location again, I will still bring more updates to you guys. So that's all I can tell you for now. So, and this is the update I have for you guys now. So don't forget to sub to this channel. Don't forget to click on the notification button, and don't forget to share to get notification and for others to also see this update. So that is all for now. I think that is all for now. So if you watch the video closely, you can see that most of the gutters has been completed, and some section of the road are being put in order for starting of stone base. And that is what I can tell you. The last time I visited, I traced this place down to the ending of this government house, the where the fencing stopped, the last place of the government house. So this one I did not go down because I was in a hurry. So the next time I will visit this location, I will make sure I also go there to cover other updates. So this particular one I did not visit down there. I only captured the frontage, the side of it, and you know the side of Alex Ekweme Square. And before I forgot, there are also work going on in that Alex Ekweme Square. A lot of heavy work is going on there. They are doing something like rebuilding or maintenance of that particular place. A lot of work is going on. They are rebuilding, I think, the main entrance gate, the other side, and the rest. So a lot of work is going on that side of Alex Ekweme Square. So that is it. We also pass through that place because you have to pass through the Alex Ekweme Square before you get to the new government house. So heavy work is also going on there, and they are doing it as fast as possible. So in my next video, I will be giving you updates on the reconstruction of Awka Onitsha Express Road, which I don't know what is currently going on there, but in that update I will tell you all I found out and also show you videos. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share for others to see our videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification button to get notified each time we publish new videos like this. Thank you for watching once more, and do have a wonderful day. You can see my bushy environment, it's very, very nice. I would have turned back the camera. Here is this is farmland. This is farmland. I think they want to do a kind of vegetable stuffs here. So that is it. So you can see my bush. So guys, thank you for watching. Till we meet again next time.